Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can EZA this guy. So the previous video I want to show you how you can get this guy and rainbow this unit. And in this video I will show you how you can get EZA because this cell unit, the Android cell unit, is very limited. That can be good in the battle. So make him easier is very important if you assemble Android based on cell unit. So this is for beginner until intermediate only. So make sure you have the Android Cell Saga unit. So tap the event and go to challenge mode here and search the Extreme Z Awakening of Looming Menace, this event. Tap and go to the mission first. Perform one step of Extreme Z Awakening on cell. You can get one dragon stone. Perform two steps, you can get 2 dragon stone and Baba points. And this perform 3 steps, you can get dragon stone and Kai. So there are some conditions here. Tap the information first. If you want to EZA this cell unit, you have to get this character first. It's not difficult, but it will take your time. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this unit have to be in EZA, the final step on EZA, and also hidden potential 100%. This guys here must be rainbow to challenge this event. This is the condition. You can read it carefully. And this is the event. And this is the stage details. You can get 1 dragon stone and 2 awakening. Middle. And this cell become quite useful for beginner. So be patient, take your time, and it is worth for Android cell unit team. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.